Magandang buhay mga kapatid. Dr. Carmen sa Tier Service. Ang ating pong paksa ngayon ay ang classic rhyme ng ating preschool na Humpty Dumpty. Let us be reminded of its contents na napaka-relevant sa ating kalagayan ngayon. It says, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. He sat on a wall with a smile so wide, thinking he'd sit there side by side with the king's horses and the king's men too, but little did Humpty know, oh, what to do. He tumbled and fell with a sad, sad sound. His shell was broken all over the ground. The king's horses and men, they all came near, but Humpty's pieces they couldn't just clear. They tried and they tried with all their might, but Humpty's shell, it just wasn't right. They put him together with glue and with care, but Humpty Dumpty just couldn't be repaired. Now, Humpty's story is told far and wide, a cautionary tale of a great fall inside. So if you're sitting on a wall so high, just remember Humpty and his sad, sad sigh. Ang dami pong nangyari kahapon na ang isang Humpty Dumpty ay nahulog po sa kanyang shell. At nakikita po natin ang kingdom ng ating bansa ay nagkakawasak-wasak na po ang wall. Tingnan po natin nung kunyari nagkaroon ng courtesy resignation si Soljen Minardo Guevara ay hindi na po reinstitute or hindi po inaccept ulit ang kanyang position being the head of the Solicitor General's Office kasi hindi po siya na move kung ano ang dapat under the law na stand ng ating bansa. Ang sumunod po noon ay or in between si Governor Chavit Singson, which is a symbol of the solid North, also withdrawing his support kay Marcos Jr. And then noong June 7, 2025, si Deputy House Speaker Congressman Duke Frasco of Cebu, the 5th District of Cebu, also did not sign the manifesto being routed to still install Martin Romualdez as its House Speaker for the 20th Congress. Hindi ko po ubos maisip bakit ganun na dati naman yung votation is viva voce. Bakit biglang manifesto na lang, di ba? So, and then, of course, noong July 2025, ang Department of Health din ay kagaya ni Soljen Minardo Guevara ay nireplace po ang ating Career Executive Officer na Department of Health Secretary Maria Rosario Vergeri at pinalitan po ng isang abogado. In fact, yung mga staff ng Department of Health ay parang nag-contest dito na bakit walang health background ang isang ilalagay sa DOH. Of course, its undersecretaries ay hindi na rin ibinalik sa post na sila ay also career executive officers, si Acheles Gerard Bravo and Kenneth Ronquillo. pinagpalitan po ng mga bagong USEC. August 15, si Jaime Santiago, ang NBI director, also filed his irrevocable resignation for the fact that allegedly may mga orchestration or move na sinister to blemish his reputation and destroy his years of good moral character at magandang serbisyo po. So, ngayon ay ang ating ombudsman din, si Samuel Martires, ay pinalitan din ng acting ombudsman pending the appointment ni President Marcos kung sino sa mga applicants ang ilalagay. Kahapon po nagulantang po tayo sa pagkatanggal ni Torre na 3 months pa lang from assumption of office. And all these cracks on the wall of Humpty Dumpty ay naglalabasan po. And until now, titingnan po natin kung meron po bang kinalaman ang mga earlier revelations na isinubmit ni Senator Amy Marcos to the ICC as regards this person na Nicolas Torre, na sinabi niya it is through the order of the ILG Secretary Remulla and the President of the Philippines, na sabi niya hindi lang binild up overnight ang pagka-pick up kay President Duterte, bringing him to The Hague, but it was a case build up from May 2024 to March 2025. So marami pong cracks na ang mga nangyayari, katulad po nung may namatay sa LA, Beverly Hills. Ang ginamit bang mga pondo doon ay beyond the time and day ng supposedly event, cultural event for the Philippines. Ay gumamit ba ang mga involved na persons doon ng kaban ng gobyerno? Whoever also funded yung sinakyan na private plane ng ating former President Duterte, kasi kung hindi legal ang pagkadala sa kanya sa The Hague dahil sa nakita ni Senator Amy Marcos na mga irregularities or anomalies ng kanyang investigation sa Senate, ay pwede ba itong maging reasons sa unlawful use of government funds. So, i-close ko po ang aking paksa sa nag-crumble po na leadership ang ating executive. Bakit hindi nakita po yung mga flood control na yan kung hindi meron pa tayong isang Marcoleta na senador who is passionate enough to see why the Humpty Dumpty's wall is falling down. So, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Now, Humpty's stories is told far and wide, a cautionary tale of a great fall inside. So if you're sitting on a wall so high, just remember Humpty and his sad, sad high. Buong mundo na po, alam na po ang kalagayan ng Pilipinas mula nang si Duterte ay dinala po sa dahig. Thank you for listening, and may this rhyme song awake those people who are still in slumber, sleeping, and trying to deny what is existing in the Philippines today.